In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect interactive brokers, or IBKR, to TradingView. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience by combining the advanced charting and analysis tools of TradingView with the powerful brokerage services of interactive brokers, you've come to the right place. This step-by-step guide will make the process simple and clear. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, you'll be able to set everything up smoothly. And if you don't already have an interactive brokers account, you can use the link in the description to create one and get started. To begin, head over to the TradingView website and log into your account. It's important to be logged in because the features we'll be using require account access to enable the necessary tools. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to register. It's free and quick to set up. Once you're logged in, look toward the top of the TradingView homepage and locate the menu bar. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Products. Click on that tab. This section is where TradingView groups all of its main tools, so it's the starting point for finding the connection option. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Products section until you see an option called the Trading Panel. Keep in mind, if you're using a smaller screen like a laptop or tablet, the Trading Panel might not stand out right away. So, take your time and look carefully. It should be near the lower part of the list. When you find the Trading Panel, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a list of brokers that are supported by TradingView. But to make sure you see the full range of options, click on the All Brokers option within the Trading Panel. This is important because, depending on your default settings, interactive brokers might not appear in the initial list. With the full list displayed, scroll through or use the search bar to locate interactive brokers. You'll recognize it either by the IBKR logo or the name spelled out in the list. Don't worry if it takes a moment to find, it's there. And using the search function can save you time. Once you see interactive brokers, click on it. After that, you'll notice a Connect button. Go ahead and click on it. This step is what initiates the secure connection process between your TradingView and interactive brokers accounts. At this point, you'll be redirected to the interactive brokers website here. You'll need to log in using your username and password. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, there will be an additional security step to complete. This ensures that your login credentials remain secure and are handled only by interactive brokers. After successfully logging in, wait to be redirected back to TradingView. This confirmation step is crucial because it finalizes the connection between the two accounts, allowing them to work together seamlessly. Once you're back on TradingView, take a moment to verify that your interactive brokers account is linked. You can do this by checking the Trading Panel, where your account should now appear connected. If everything is set up correctly, you're ready to place trades, monitor your positions, and make full use of TradingView's tools alongside your interactive brokers account. And that's it. You've successfully connected IBKR to TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.